Bharat, the neem twig toothbrush, known traditionally as neem datun, has been used in India for centuries as a natural, effective tool for oral hygiene. With the rise of plastic toothbrushes, this eco-friendly and sustainable practice has seen a decline. Promoting the neem twig toothbrushes aligns perfectly with the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, building a self-reliant India by reviving indigenous knowledge, supporting local economics, and protecting the environment. Promoting the neem twig toothbrush is a meaningful step towards realizing the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, which emphasizes self-reliance, sustainability. Neem twigs of oral hygiene is a time Neem twigs for oral hygiene is a time-honored practice deeply rooted in Indian tradition, known for its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. Neem not only ensure excellent dental care but also eliminates the need for synthesized and chemical-laden products. By encouraging the use of neem beyond its economic and ecological value, the neem twigs also represent India as a cultural and scientific heritage. Encouraging its use allow modern India to reconnect with ancient practices that are both effective and sustainable. In essence, neem twig toothbrushes is not just a tool for oral care. It is symbol of self-sufficiency, environmental consciousness, and national pride. By choosing neem, we choose a future that is healthier, general, and truly Atmanirbhar. In conclusion, by using locally available neem twigs, communities can reduce dependence on imported or plastic-based oral care products. This simple traditional method embodies the essence of India's self-sufficient and environmentally conscious future under Atmanirbhar Bharat. Thank you.